Turn the fuel pump on.
She wants to run.
Yes. There's nothing quite like the feeling you get from a successful cold start, and this one seems to have gone well, though I do believe we stumbled onto some other issues, and I'll make some videos out of those. This was just a video to practice some things I wanted to try, improving my skills and craftsmanship as a content creator so I can provide a better product for your enjoyment. Please let me know what you think about the soundtrack and the little video I shot of my friend Dylan doing a burnout with his big blue Nova. And if you like it, maybe I'll put together a track video or maybe do some interviews with some of my fellow drivers. Anyway, until next time, this is Fab Race Mod Repeat. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a great day.